John here. Our today's Roblox studio lesson will be on variables and printing in relative to outputs. Let's begin. So first of all, you have to create a script, a server, or a client-sided one does matter, but we'll discuss that matter in the next lesson. You can name the script whatever you want. Alright, now you have to create a variable. It's actually easy though. You can type local and anything you want equal to something and or a value. For now, let's just print the word, hello guys, and test it if it actually works. By the way, remember to view the output. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. Let's add variables now. Let me explain here, for the sake of eliminating confusion. In oversimplified terms, the double dots I provided in between the string and variable values are connectors. They are essential for scripting, absolutely. As you can see, it works perfectly fine.